Good morning, Sawyer crew. We are back with another video. I am Lucinda without the crew. We'll be heading to IKEA for a girls' day out. It's just gonna be me and her. We probably go to IKEA, then we probably go get some lunch. I'm excited because I always enjoy spending time with my mom. So in this holiday time, if you don't have a mom or have a dad or have immediate family to be around, be encouraged. I believe in God, and God said we'll be a father to the fatherless, a mother to the motherless. God got you. He will be a friend like no other friend. So yeah, enjoy your holidays. It's about enjoying the moment. Sometimes you got to say, thank God I'm alive, you know. Thank God that I have life, health, and strength. Whatever you have, be thankful for it, be grateful for it in this holiday season. All right, let's hit these stores up. right, we just left out of IKEA. We didn't get much, but it was a lot of stuff on sale. But we did not want to shop in any kind of impulse to buy. Now we're gonna go to Seasons, what is it called? Seasons 57? Seasons 52. Mama said 57. We're not gonna go there. So we'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. All right, we're in Hobby Lobby now. We just left Seasons 52. It was great. So we're gonna do some walking around in Hobby Lobbies and see what they have for sale. Seasonal, Valentine's Day, all that good stuff coming up. All right, I just dropped my mom off home. I went and ran a couple of errands with her. Just had to go to the bank and then get my stepfather some food. So now I have one more stop to make, and that is to, I think it's Office Max or Office Depot. I have to get something printed out, and then I am heading home to hang out with the rest of the crew.